Across the world, companies are reopening for business under a dramatic change of conditions, from new requirements for physical distancing to the sudden need for remote work. You're faced with new challenges to protect your employees' safety, maintain productivity, and keep your supply chain moving. As you return to the workplace, you have a continued duty to keep workplaces as safe as possible and give people the confidence to go back to work. No two businesses or manufacturing facilities are alike, and each company's return to work plan will be unique. Where possible, employees will work from home or need access to business systems and data. Each facility must be individually evaluated and prepared for phased reopening in the coming months to make sure that physical distancing, hygiene and shift variation requirements can be met. We've never been more conscious of how we interact with each other in our environment. One of the many challenges facing employers as we begin to repopulate our workplaces is the need to maintain a safe physical distance between workers. To keep workers at a safe distance, equipment may have to be moved and routing adjusted. Floor markings may be added to denote safe working zones or one-way traffic flow. Physical distancing, new movement routes, and revised material handling strategies in your facility may increase the time it takes for products to move through your production process. Productivity may be affected, and an early calculation of the effect on travel time can help to predict and adjust production cap. This insight into the effect on productivity helps you to predict the support required for your new production target. This provides you with the information you need to calculate the support you need, both from your employees and your further supply chain. Where physical distancing guidelines cannot be met, protective barriers may be installed to prevent transmission. Hand washing stations may be required at entrances and exits, and hand sanitizer stations will be required wherever hand washing stations are impractical. As the revised layout of your production facility begins to take shape, you'll need to communicate the required changes to your team. Revised documentation and equipment lists are coordinated and reviewed by employees and partners both inside and outside your company firewall. Our society has undergone a massive disruption during the COVID-19 pandemic, affecting our lives and businesses in an unprecedented way. Personal protective equipment, hand washing, physical distancing and staggered shift patterns are becoming common in manufacturing facilities across the world. It is critical to design a return to work plan that is flexible enough to adapt to evolving recommendations. At Autodesk, we support you in your challenge to build success during this transition.